everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got for us today a little bird guard change. The top is missing. I've got a new one just there, look. So I've got my ladders up. I'm just going to get up there and quickly whip this one off. It's a bit windy, but it'll be alright down here. It's not too bad on this side. Okay, I'll see you up there. One moment. Here we are, my lovelies. This one's a bit rotten off. The legs are rotten away. The rims rotten away. This is just a painted steel one. I hope you can hear me over the wind. Not really good enough, to be honest with you. So let's get the remainder off and a new one on. I'll hook you up somewhere so you can watch. Blowing around in the wind a bit, I may apologise. The legs aren't bent up on this one. Just undoing the clip that's there. I've already swept this chimney. The concrete liners. There's a new one. It's a full stainless steel affair. It's painted terracotta, but everything about it's stainless steel. It's going to last longer than that one. So just bend the legs out. Hope you can see. There's some little legs that go on the inside, see them, and then the long legs go on the outside. I've got the new clip, stainless steel one. Nice and tight. but you know, why not? That's going nowhere. Nice and solid. It's about 5 degrees today and it's windy, so it's freezing. Yeah, but it's lovely, it's nice. Right then, I'm going to go back down. You have yourselves a great day. See you later. Bye now. Well, there it is in the van, look. I'll put it down. Ladders are away. Ladders away. But you can see the powder coating has, you know, rotten away, and then it's got to the steel and just eating it all away. These painted steel ones, I don't know if you should even bother buying them, especially if it's on a chimney that's in a lot of use. They're just not going to last and you're going to end up replacing it anyway, so you might as well go for the stainless one. Anyway, there it is. It's off in the scrap bin. I'll see you again. Bye now.